Now this is a good looking Defender. If you're in the market for a Land Rover Defender and you want it to be a little bit special, a little bit different, then this is a great one. In the Fuji White 2024 24 registration with only 3,000 miles on, this is the 3-litre diesel D250 SE. The SE gives you a lovely specification like the full leather interior. But then this one, as you can see quite clearly, has been urbanised. And normally when you say urban bits and bobs, it means it's got lights and spoilers and stuff. This one looks particularly well because it has the body styling kit on the front, which is the corner blades here. And that makes a massive difference. So when you're looking at it from the front end, it really does stick out. It looks fantastic. The urban badges, the urban front grille. You've then got the headlight casing, the LED daytime running lights with the full matrix LED headlights, the full extension arch kit, which is the continuous arches here, front and rear. This car also has the 22-inch urban style wheels. It really is brilliant. Under manufacturer's warranty till 2027. In the Fuji White, with all the black sections, just looks amazing. The car then has the red brake calipers, fixed mud flaps front and rear, the fixed side steps, contrasting black roof. The pod lights, as you can see, are very, very bright, but they look really good. 360 camera system. But for me, like I said, on the interior, with it being the SE, it's nice. That soft leather is brilliant, heated seats, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, the ambient lighting and the door pockets there you can see, the centre tunnel, and also on this back panel as well. The sliding panoramic roof. Nice, comfortable seats, lots of space for all your friends and family, and it's got the full black ebony finish, except for the back display here, which is finished in that lovely light grey with a Defender stamped in. There's a USB-C there, USB, USB 12-volt socket, front and rear heated windscreen, automatic gearbox, adaptive cruise control on this car as well. The touchscreen media system is very easy to use, and that's from your navigation to your Bluetooth to your media, you pick and choose. The Meridian sound system, twin cup holders, lots of cubbyhole space, and fully fitted mats front and rear. The side steps really do help you get in and out the car. But for me, it looks amazing. If you want, Defenders are big, they're chunky, they sell so well. We sell 15, 20 a week, every single week. And then every so often we get one that's as nice as this, that's a little bit different with all the urban bits on. Yes, it's a little bit more expensive than your standard D250 SE, but when you work it out, the body kit, the arches, the wheels, the steps, mud flap, spoiler, the hardback spare wheel cover, it all adds up very, very quickly, and it's a ready-made product. There's the hardback cover with the urban sticker on. You've got the squared LED lighting system, which are clear lensed as well. Urban style rear spoiler. The 110 like this one gives you the bigger boot space. A hardback again, so it's nice and easy to maintain. If you make it dirty, you can literally wipe it down. Underneath, you have more cubbyhole space as well. Now the car hasn't got a tow bar, but if you do need a tow bar with your next car and you want to get one fitted, we can help you with that, get it supplied and fitted for you at a small cost, not a problem. So if you're going to buy a Defender, you might need a tow bar. That ambient lighting continues again down here. There's a fully fitted mat in the back. Because the car's raised with lots of ground clearance, there is no centre tunnel down here, so all 3 passengers in the back can sit comfortably with lots of leg space. Before you get to the driver's zone, you can see you have the hazard warning indicator on the wing mirrors there, the full digital dashboard. You've got the adjustments for the steering column, which is in and out and up and down. Automatic headlights, automatic window wipers. The 360 camera system is nice and clear. You can see exactly where you're going with that. Heated seats there, and on that side as well. Nice and high up, brilliant example, stunning colour, and the finish on it with the extra body kit on that front bumper makes all the difference. My name's Joe, my name and number's on the screen. Give me a call, drop me a text or WhatsApp. Thanks for watching, bye bye.